Hello students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello everybody and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Today we're going to continue our medieval and early modern world history series by looking at the Portuguese Empire. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. Okay, let's go. Portugal led the way in worldwide exploration. With its advanced navigational tools and maps, Portugal eagerly sought to expand its global empire. How did the Portuguese colonize Brazil? The center of the Portuguese Empire was South America's largest colony, Brazil. There, a new culture began to emerge that blended European, Native American, and African influences. Portugal first reaped economic benefits from Brazil in the form of Brazilwood, a valuable native tree. The Portuguese also raised sugarcane and cattle. They later mined gold and diamonds. Like the Spanish, Portuguese colonists also used Native Americans as enslaved farm workers, but later replaced them with millions of Africans. Portugal's trade empire in Asia. In addition to its colonies in the Americas, Portugal had developed a thriving sea trade with Asia. The explorer Vasco da Gama was the first to set up a lucrative trade in spices with India. Another nobleman who furthered Portugal's ambitions was Afonso de Albuquerque. He set up trading centers in India, Persia, the East Indies, and Southeast Asia. How did the Portuguese Empire decline? Intense competition from the Netherlands, England, and other European nations began to weaken Portugal's hold on its Asian trading empire. Dutch attacks resulted in the loss of much Asian territory for the Portuguese. Meanwhile, pirates called privateers also stole much of Portugal's cargo. Portugal also suffered setbacks following a 1755 earthquake in its capital, Lisbon, one of the early modern world's worst natural disasters. No recap today, so there you have it, folks. That is the Portuguese Empire nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. Learn how to spell Portuguese, then smash those like and subscribe buttons for me. See y'all next time on Nutshelled History.